DCP-80 Elite Bottle Printer, custom travel keepsakes made easy. Travel isn't just about the destination, it's about what you take back. How do we capture these moments into something travelers can hold? DCP-80 Elite Cylinder Printer brings souvenirs to life with speed and vivid color. 20mm high spray 2880 dpi precision 360 degrees seamless printing. Fast, precise, built for variety. High drop inkjet printing with excellent adhesion, scratch resistance, and lasting color. One item in under a minute, ideal for high volume production. Intuitive interface, easy switching, cutting operational cost. Fast imaging, batch ready, your go-to solution for travel souvenir customization. From 1 to 10,000, every bottle shines the same. Make every souvenir a continuation of the journey.